So tonight I'm gonna show you guys a really easy dinner to your whole family. We have 5 kids here tonight. And Adam and I are gonna have this too, but we're gonna tweak it a little bit for rotisserie chicken. And it's easy for us. I'm about to eat rice and beans right now for dinner time. I have some broccoli and I'm gonna make this. Just cutting this broccoli into, adding all of the broccoli into this bowl. I'm gonna season it and I'm gonna cook it in the air fryer, crispy and delicious. Use this olive oil spray, fresh pepper. I'm doing a cooking show for Jacob, right Jacob? Yeah. Broccoli with me. Some garlic powder. Could add some salt. Next, I'm gonna add some onion powder. See, nice and coated. I add this to the air fryer at 375 for about 12 minutes. Show you how it looks. Okay, so my plate. So I get to have all this broccoli. So good, so crispy. And chicken.